Hi friends, welcome back once again to other session of Knowing OET. I welcome you all here. So today we will be knowing what is OET in this session. So it's my pleasure to welcome you all. Today's session is designed to help you understand the fundamentals of OET. We will explore why it is different from other language tests, who are the regulatory bodies and who recognizes it, and the strategies for successful preparation to achieve your target scores. So this session will help you to remember that every successful healthcare professional who has passed the OET began exactly where you are today, with a dream, a goal, and a determination to succeed. With the right guidance, consistent practice, and a positive attitude, you too can achieve your OET objectives. I encourage you to participate actively, ask questions, and make the use most of the opportunity. Together, let us begin this journey of learning, growth, and success. So let us see what is OET. OET is English test. It is also known as OET, an English language test for healthcare professionals recognized by various regulatory healthcare bodies. It assesses the language communication skills of healthcare professionals who wish to register in an English speaking environment. OET is available for following 12 professions such as dentistry, nursing, medicine, physiotherapist, occupational therapist, pharmacist, dentistry, optometry, dietary, podiatry, speech pathology, radiography, veterinary science. So test takers include nurses 47%, whereas doctors 23%, dentists 20%, and pharmacists 6%. OET was designed in late 1980s by Professor Tim McNamara at the University of Melbourne under the guidance of Australian National Office for Overseas Skill Recognition, NOORSR, which administered the test at that time. The test has been reassessed and developed continuously since then to ensure that it has kept up with current chore and practice in language assessment. This work has been done by the University of Testing Melbourne Language Research Centre and Cambridge Assessment English. Since March 2013, the test has been owned by Cambridge Boxhill Language Assessment Trust, that is CBLA, a venture between Cambridge Assessment English and Boxhill Institute. I hope I have explained regarding the OET. I thank you once again for joining me in this episode. I see you in the next episode with another information. Thank you till then. See you. Have a nice day.